Yeah. Oh, hold on, something in my eye. Sarah's getting mad at me. Yeah, it's gone.
It's fine.
It's fine. It's fine. Shut up, Sinead.
Sorry, I didn't mean it like that.
No, you're fine.
Hey Glam Squad! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have the beautiful Sinead Katie from the Makeup Chair. We are doing the makeup bag challenge where we do on a daily basis using each other's products.
So Sarah is lending me her makeup, her little makeup bag.
Travel makeup bag.
Travel makeup bag. So there's not as much in it as normal. There's nothing here. I have nothing to put on my face, but we're gonna do it.
Start with this.
Ooh.
It's like a setting spray, but it's also like a primer. You have to good shake. It comes to your skin and makes it look really dewy and fresh.
Do I rub it in or? Ooh, okay.
It's got retinol in it as well, so it's really good for repairing your skin.
I love retinol.
Yeah, absorb the retinol skin.
It's the Flowmar Hydrating Primer. I've got combination skin, mostly dry cheeks. I think that's amazing.
Oh, my skin feels so good after that spray.
So on a day-to-day basis, I just like a no makeup look really. So this is a BB cream. It does give you a really nice coverage.
So cute.
Their sample size. I think it's amazing for traveling. It just fits into your bag nicely.
How much would you use?
Yeah, maybe a little bit more.
I want to get
the
authentic makeup by Saz experience here.
F20 brush. There's a nice coverage in it. Still is your skin, but better.
This is really
It's
pretty.
really nice.
I usually can't find foundations pale enough for me, but like this is, even though I have tan on, but like this is like pale enough.
People are afraid to go too light with their foundation and they actually warm up their complexion with their foundation. I personally prefer to go lighter with my foundation and warm up my complexion with bronzer.
Me too. Do you put this on your lids as well?
Yeah, I do put a little bit of concealer on my lids too. So I do concealer after my BB cream or foundation.
This is so cool to have like a foundation that's actually, like it's lighter than my skin. For a change. Concealer.
So I got the wrong shade online.
I feel like they're almost both color correctors, like the peach color corrector and the yellow color corrector. So you mix them. Ooh, I like that color.
It's nice, but it's quite dark.
It's gonna be too dark for me. Maybe I'll put more of the foundation like over the top of it afterwards.
Okay. I do it in a V shape onto the eyes, yeah. So I bring it like right down to the corner of the nose.
And now I'm gonna have to take a bit more of the foundation and like pop over the top.
When I'm at home, I would bake.
For traveling,
Oh no! That happened to me before in the live video. I was like crying. And they were like, want to pause the video and come back?
So embarrassed for you. Just go.
It was so embarrassing. When I'm at home, I totally bake. When I'm traveling, I just like to bring something small and compact. So I have this powder. This has actually got color correctors in it.
I hate the color correctors in those.
palettes.
But maybe this will work. But anytime I've used one in the past, it would actually make my skin look way worse.
So I kind of focus most of my powder like around my T-zone, around the under eyes.
See how it looks like blush on me?
oh my god, you are like super pale.
People don't believe me. This is it.
Just put all over. We just darken the whole face.
With any type of makeup, it always goes darker. Look how light it is. I have tan on, so it's fine. But like you can see how like weird that is.
It just shows you how makeup works. This is just really handy for traveling because it's got everything you need in the one palette. And I really like the tone in that bronzer. It's like a really warm tone. It's kind of like the Hoola bronzer, isn't it?
It is really.
I focus mainly from the top of my ear, corner of my nose, but use the end of my eye as a guide. Like I wouldn't pass this mark here. Kind of just focus it here. Yes.
Like that?
Yeah. I would just bring it a tiny bit more in here.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So you're still getting the chisel look, but it's like bringing your cheekbones up, bring it around here, and then also like here, and I cover like my double chin. You don't have one, but yeah.
I do. I have one.
My face is so round. Yeah, it is. It's really round. It's really fat and round.
No, it's not.
This is a big face.
You have a tiny little petite face, and I have this big.
Giant freaking head on me.
I would get a little bit of setting powder and just kind of line that up a little bit. Cleans up the lines and give it a bit
This
more
won't
definition.
clean up the lines on me. It'll go probably darker. Oh, it's not too bad. More?
Yeah, no, that's fine. Beautiful.
Which one's the highlight?
This one?
This one here?
Yeah. Load up my brush.
So like just...
Yeah, because you're not damaging the product by going into it.
Oh, smart.
Maybe just like here, like not too much into the eyes, not too much down. I like to just put right here.
Okay.
Put a little bit here. I don't know if you like to do that, but
Yeah,
a little bit on
like,
my arch, and then I dot one right here.
I hate my nose, and so I
Pure
don't...
Instagram though, do you know what I mean?
Did I do it right? Is it showing up?
It's not showing up. You might need more product.
And then the nose, which
Yeah.
I don't do. No, I hate my nose.
Just fill in your brows like you normally would.
Yeah, I would like add black.
Finish with a little bit of lipstick.
Okay, take this off. I stuck
yeah,
my
yeah.
lash. There we go.
How do you feel about the lip?
I would apply falsies, so that's kind of a big difference for me. And the finish for my skin wouldn't work, but I like it. I like how it's been applied. Like it looks so different. Even though it's exactly the same look as I always wear, I see a difference.
Yeah, it's really good for you guys to see as well how like different products work different on different people. Yeah. You know. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.